Hi everyone, today I'm joined by Darrel Rowe, agronomist with PGG Wrightson. So Darrel, in terms of cost per hectare of cultivating a paddock versus just over sowing, what would be the typical kind of ballpark areas there?
For most perennial pastures, we'd probably be looking around that between $600 and $700 a hectare. So it's a significant cost. So I mean, it's about having that plan moving forward. If those paddocks are run down, it's certainly the best way to reduce the chances of losing those paddocks. If you're going to do a full cultivation, you really need to do your soil testing, do your preparation to get the best result. If you're over sowing, I mean, that's certainly a lot cheaper option. If money is a little bit tighter, I mean, those options are there on those rundown pastures, and they will come back to between $250 and $300 depending on the rate and composition of grasses.
So I guess depending on current feed prices or alternative feed, you're probably looking at maybe 12 to 18 month return based on current supplementary feed prices.
Yeah, for perennial pastures, we sort of look at around that 18-month period that you're going to get a full return on your pasture with the amount of tonnage you can produce. Annual pastures are just, well, they're filling in feed gaps, so it's not so critical overall.
What's the current situation, Darrel, with seed availability?
Well, certain seed lines certainly are very tight. A lot of the early annual ryegrasses are very tight, not a lot available. A lot of the cereals have certainly had a lot of failed crops, so there's not a great range of oats and rye corn available. If you haven't locked it away, you might have to look at different options there. But certainly from a perennial ryegrass and Italian ryegrass point of view, the seed supplies are good. It's just some of those deeper rooted perennials on those dryland blocks around fescues and the coxwoods will be very tight this year.
Darrel, could you just comment on sowing rates of annuals and Italians in terms of increasing that availability of early feed?
Yeah, sure, Rory. One of the great tools that farmers have is the ability to increase the sowing rate earlier in the season. Certainly on annuals and Italians, taking from 20 kilo sowing rates up to 40 kilo sowing rate as the optimum level to give us an extra tonne of feed by the middle of winter. And that tonne of feed is very valuable at that time of year, considering how much bought-in feed is costing a farmer.
Okay, thanks very much for your time, Darrel. For more information, please check out the Dairy Australia website or indeed talk to your local agronomist to get more details on this topic.